Hello everybody. I'm going to tell what is cancer and what is oncology. So, why cancer is a deadly disease? First of all, cancer is a disease which kills. If not treated, most of the cancers will end up killing the patient. And the second reason is it causes a huge financial as well as other losses for the patient. Financial losses because cancer treatment is very expensive. And also cause treatment after treatment, the cancer causes significant changes in the body and mind of the patient, which results in a lot of sequelae. For example, surgery and treatment of breast cancer may end up the patient losing her breast. Similarly, cancer of the vocal cords will result in permanent voice loss. Similarly, cancer of the rectum may result in a permanent stoma being created. Another aspect of cancer care is all these cancers are preventable. If you look into the etiology of cancer, you can find out that 35% of the cancers are caused by our bad food, and 30% is caused by tobacco and other habits, 18% by infections, and 14% by physical inactivity and obesity, 7% by environmental pollution. So these are preventable causes of cancer. So if you adapt a healthy diet, do exercise regularly, abstain from habits such as tobacco, take care of infections like human papillomavirus infection and other viruses and bacteria, and try to avoid living in a place which is polluted. All this will reduce significant amount of cancers in our body. Coming to the treatment of cancer. Cancer is often treated by a team of doctors. We call it a multidisciplinary team. And the strongest pillars of this are the diagnosis of cancer, which first involve a properly done biopsy. The biopsy specimen will be examined by a oncopathologist to correctly diagnose as well as type the cancer. This is very important in the treatment of cancers. Next is the staging workup of cancer, where an imaging like CT scan, MRI scan or PET scan will be used to assess the spread of the cancer in the body, which is very important to know the prognosis as well as the planned treatment. And the main modalities of cancer care are the three pillars, which is surgery, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. Surgery deals with the surgical removal of cancers, at the same time taking precautions to remove each and every cancer affected part from the body, taking care not to remove or injure structures, which is very important for bodily functions as well as for quality of life. And second branch is chemotherapy, which involve giving medicines to get rid of the cancers in the body. And third but not the least important branch is radiotherapy, which kills the cancer by use of radiation. So these are the main three pillars of cancer care. But there are many other supportive specialties which supports cancer care, which involves critical care, onco-anesthesia, oncopathology, oncoradiology, nuclear medicine, and in a dedicated cancer center, you will see all these specialists sitting together in multidisciplinary clinics to plan treatment for cancer. So, in brief, cancer is a serious non-communicable disease with huge public health importance as well as financial, psychological, and social importance for the patient. Cancer is always treated by multidisciplinary clinics. At the same time, we should also know that prevention of cancer is much better than attempting a treatment after it develops. So, if you look at the present day cancer care, it is based on three pillars, which is surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. But this paradigm may change in the future because new technologies like artificial intelligence is going to come, and significantly it may contribute to surgery as well as radiotherapy. And genomic profiling of each cancers are going to help in managing the genetic makeup of cancer and curing it rather than using chemotherapy. And another modality is a personalized care of cancer, where we are using genetic technology to identify the precise nature of the cancer, at the same time prognosticating it and using the appropriate genetic modification to treat cancers. This is in short about the oncology and its management.